Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. How many players are on the field for one team? Nine. How many strikes make an out? Three. What sport uses a bat and ball? Baseball. How many bases are there? Four. What do you call a hit over the fence? Home run. Which position throws the ball to start play? Pitcher. How many outs in an inning per team? Three. What shape is a baseball field? Diamond. Which league is famous in the USA? MLB. What is the defensive player behind the batter? Catcher. Medium mode. How many innings in a standard MLB game? Nine. What does RBI stand for? Runs batted in. Which base is touched last to score? Home. What is a strikeout called? K. What happens after 4 balls? Walk. Which position plays between second and third base? Shortstop. What is a double play? Two outs in one play. What is the area behind home plate? Backstop. Which team bats first? Away team. What does ERA measure? pitching? Hard mode. What is a perfect game? No runners reach base. What is the pitching distance in MLB? "60 feet 6 inches. Which player won most MLB home runs? Barry Bonds. What is a sacrifice fly? Out that scores a run? Which position wears the most gear? Catcher. What is OPS? On base plus slugging. What does a balk affect? Runner advance. What is a no-hitter? No hits allowed. Which base is closest to home plate? All are equal. What happens on a foul ball strike count? Strike except third. Insane mode. What is a perfect game? Pete Rose. What is the pitching distance in MLB? (1903). Which player won most MLB home runs? Walks hits per inning. What is a sacrifice fly? .200 average. Which position wears the most gear? New York Yankees. What is OPS? Hits both sides. What does a balk affect? Prevent double play trick. What is a no-hitter? Player value. Which base is closest to home plate? Edge near fence. What happens on a foul ball strike count? 26. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.